We've heard about artificial intelligence in apps, chatbots, and software, but now AI is stepping out of the screen and into the real world. This is called the physical AI revolution. Physical AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can perceive, understand, and physically interact with the real world. Unlike traditional AI that processes text or images, physical AI powers autonomous robots, self-driving vehicles, smart drones, industrial automation systems. It combines machine learning, computer vision, sensors, robotics, and real-time decision-making. The latest breakthrough is AI models that connect brain and body. Foundation models are now being trained not just on text, but on motion data, sensor feedback, real-world simulations, robotic control data. This enables robots to adapt to new environments, learn tasks from demonstration, improve through real-world interaction. Humanoid robots are becoming more capable in logistics, healthcare assistance, warehouse automation, and disaster response. Physical AI could transform industries by reducing labor-intensive tasks, increasing workplace safety, improving precision manufacturing, enhancing elderly care and rehabilitation. However, it also raises important questions about safety, ethics, regulation, and workforce transformation. The physical AI revolution is not just about smarter machines. It's about intelligent systems that can move, act, and collaborate with humans in the physical world. We are witnessing the shift from digital intelligence to embodied intelligence, and this could redefine how humans and machines work together in the coming decade.